Emma was a quiet girl who lived in a small town near the sea. Every morning, she walked to the same cafe, ordered the same coffee, and sat at the same table by the window. Her life was simple. Too simple. Sometimes Emma felt like something was missing, but she didn't know what. One rainy afternoon, when the cafe was almost empty, Emma noticed an old envelope on her table. It was yellow and a little wet from the rain. On the envelope, there was her name. To Emma. She looked around. No one was near her. Her heart started beating faster. She slowly opened the envelope and took out a letter. It said, "Dear Emma, if you are reading this, it means you are ready to change your life. Go to the old lighthouse at sunset. Don't be afraid." Emma laughed nervously. This must be a joke, she said to herself. But something inside her felt curious. All day, she couldn't stop thinking about the letter. At sunset, instead of going home, Emma walked toward the old lighthouse near the sea. The sky was orange and pink. The wind was холодный. The lighthouse was abandoned. No lights, no people. Emma felt scared, but she went inside. Suddenly, she heard a voice. "Emma?" She turned around. It was a man about her age. He looked surprised. "You came," he said. "Who are you?" Emma asked. "My name is Leo. I got the same letter 3 years ago." Emma was shocked. "What do you mean?" Leo smiled. "That letter appears when someone is stuck in life. It's not magic, it's a message from yourself." Emma didn't understand. Leo continued. 3 years ago, I was afraid to follow my dreams. I wanted to travel, to create, to live fully. But I was scared. That letter helped me start." Emma felt tears in her eyes. "So, what should I do now?" she asked. Leo looked at the sea. "Ask yourself one question. What would you do if you were not afraid?" Emma closed her eyes. She saw her dream. She wanted to create stories, videos of вдохновлять людей. "I want to share my voice," she said quietly. Leo smiled. "Then start today." That night, Emma went home and opened her laptop. She created her first video. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. And for the first time in a long time, Emma felt alive.